How to hide following list on Instagram. Basically, Instagram does not provide a built-in feature to hide all following list on Instagram, but it offers a way to hide a following list from others, but the visibility of this list is controlled by your account's privacy settings. And here is how you can do it. The main way to control who sees a following list is to switch your account to private. When your account is private, only your approved followers can see your following list. Firstly, launch the Instagram app on your iPhone. Then make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on a profile icon at the bottom right to go to your profile. Then tap the three lines in the top right corner of your screen. Then there, you'll be navigated to Settings and Privacy. Now, once inside the Settings and Privacy, scroll down and tap on the Privacy option available there. There, toggle the switch for private account to on. This makes your account private and only your followers can see your post, stories and following list. Also, Instagram does not offer a direct feature to hide the following list from specific user while keeping your account public, but if you don't want others to see who you are following, setting your account to private is most efficient solution, or you can simply restrict who can see your following list or block the person. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.